In this video, we will give a quick tour of the Yellowdig platform for our in-course uses. What you are seeing here is an example of a Yellowdig community feed. This single scrolling feed of conversations your learners are sharing will be the core of your learning community. If you are using a learning management system, your students will land here when they launch from your course. Your learners will start new conversations by clicking the Create button. There, they will choose a topic, add a title, and then enter text in the body of the post. They can drag and drop images or other files, insert polls, code blocks, mathematics equations, or share any link. Once they've created a post to start a new conversation, they could submit it and it will appear in the feed. To participate in a conversation that someone else started, click the comment or reply buttons on the post in the comments that are already in the feed. The editing experience for comments and replies is the same as for posts. For instructors, we typically recommend spending most of your time in Yellowdig interacting with students via comments and replies. There are a number of other things we suggest that you do to guide your students and show them that you are present in the community and care about what is happening. Adding our configurable accolades to exceptional posts and comments, or adding emoji reactions to things you find interesting helps to do just that. You can also do things like bookmark posts so you can find them later, or you can easily grab the permalinks for a few posts and share a digest of really exceptional conversations. This helps call attention to good contributions and celebrates the students who are participating thoughtfully. What your community members will see in the community feed is controlled by a simple but effective algorithm. When a new conversation is created, the post shows up at the top of the feed for the next community members that arrive. Anytime a community member participates in a conversation by commenting, the post will again pop back up to the top of the community. So if you think more students need to see a particular conversation, simply commenting on it will send it back to the top. This mechanism helps ensure community members are always seeing the newest or most active conversations first, and that their attention will be on the most relevant, timely, and valuable information. Yellowdig's system was made to be a very student-centered, open community that avoids too much structure and deadlines. Regardless of how you personally choose to use Yellowdig, I do want to just pause a second and give one really important piece of advice. If you do ever prompt students to participate by responding directly to an assignment, it is important to note that Yellowdig was designed with the expectation that learners would mostly be the ones starting conversations. The design of the feed algorithm, the point rewards, and hierarchy of comments are all based on students creating posts. Therefore, we very strongly recommend against having students respond to assignments by commenting on posts you have created. If you are going to do this, instead, create a Yellowdig topic for the assignment and then ask your students to use that topic when creating their own posts. Since we are on the topic of topics, they are very important in helping to organize and focus conversations. As an instructor, you should create topics that align with the themes in your course. Use the actual names like intrinsic motivation for a psychology course or inertia for a physics course rather than module 2. The topic tags act as filters, which also helps you and other community members find the conversations and content that you are looking for. The filtering, search, and sorting features are important to take a quick look at. The text search does a fuzzy search of posts and comments to find just about anything. Our filtering capabilities can be used to allow you to find increasingly specific content. Let's see what happens when we filter for posts and comments created by Lander Sternstar that were posted between November 1st and December 30th. And are associated with the thread whose topic is personality and which has received a verified response accolade. We see here that one comment satisfies these criteria. We've included the entire thread along with the parent post so that you can see where the comment fits in the context of the broader conversation. Each user can also change the look of their feed by sorting according to recency or activity level. One good thing to know is that Yellowdig's website is designed to be adaptive to different screen sizes. This means that it can work on both desktops and mobile devices. Depending on how big your screen is and if Yellowdig is being opened inside of an LMS, some of the menus may automatically collapse and the screen may look slightly different for different people. Here I am demonstrating some of the differences. The left side community menu is a menu that is used quite often, and on a smaller screen it does hide in a drawer that can be accessed at the top left. If your screen appears to be missing that menu compared to videos and screenshots you see, it is probably collapsed due to the amount of screen space Yellowdig has. Those are some of the most important basics. I hope this quick tour of the main community and functions was a helpful introduction.